Hello guys, it's Ari. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be I recreated so-and-so's makeup tutorial, or I tried to follow along. You guys know, you've seen this video like go around YouTube and stuff, so I was like, I want to hop on the bandwagon and do this because I feel like it's really fun, and it's really entertaining to watch and stuff, so I thought I would go ahead and try. So there's a few videos, a few YouTubers that I would like to do before this trend kind of like fizzles away. So fizzle, is that even a word? Fizzle. Anyway, so today's video is going to be Youkeyy. I don't know if you guys know who she is. I'm gonna pop a picture of her right here. I love her channel a lot. She does a lot of colorful looks, and as you guys know, I am more of like a neutral person. Like every once in a while I'll do like a pop of color and stuff, but I like doing more neutral lips and neutral eyes and more of a bold lip, and she does a lot of like really bright eye looks and awesome eye looks and stuff. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna step out of my comfort zone and try one of her looks. So yeah, so let's go ahead and just jump right in. I will try not to make this intro super long. Okay, so on her video, she already started out with a base, so I tried to screen record. I don't know if it's going to come out exactly correct, so I screen recorded it because I film on my phone, so I don't know if I can do both at the same time. So I am going to pop what I'm looking at like right here, hopefully, and I'm actually going to be watching the video right here on my laptop, so they might not exactly line up because I don't know how to do all of that stuff. So oh, okay, anyway, so she already had a base on, so let me go ahead, and I wear glasses, I'm like blind. I should put my contacts on so I can actually see. Let me go do that real quick, because I can't see. Hold on. Okay, so I'm back. I have my contacts on, so I can see better now. I still can see a lot better with my glasses on, but it's whatever. I can see now. Oh my gosh, I have a bodysuit on, and it's like annoying me. Anyway, alright, let's go ahead and start.
Hello, if you've never seen me before, hi, my name is Youkeyy, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Straightforward.
Okay, alright, so she's taking the Morphe 35B palette, so that's right there, and she's taking this, oh, hold on, pause! Okay. Alright, so she's taking the Morphe 35B palette, which is right here, and she's taking this color, into her crease, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing. Oh, I didn't prime my eyelids. So it looks like she has on like a concealer or something on her lids, so that's what I'm going to do, and I believe she only does one lid on camera, so that's what I'm going to do as well. Where's my concealer blendy outy brush? There it is. Blendy outy brush, so I'm just gonna take this one and blend out my concealer on my lid. Okay. Alright, so let's take that purple shade.
Purple from the Morphe 35.
Make sure I got the right one. Yeah, okay.
Color into what should be the crease.
And then put that in my crease and a little bit above the crease as well. This is such a pretty color, I never use it.
Where it kind of curves out instead of going into a straight line. With a large fluffy blending brush, I'm just blending out the edges.
And I'm taking this brush that I got from my Ipsy bag. It's a T35 Precise Blending. Just a little mint green brush, but I really like it. Next, she's taking the deeper purple underneath it and putting that a little lower into the crease. So let's go ahead and do that same thing. And this brush is from Vasanti. It's a Contour Eyeshadow 4. This is also from an Ipsy bag. I really like Ipsy now that I've kind of like really customized what I'm looking for each month. They've been sending me a lot of brushes, and I appreciate it. Okay, and I'm keeping with that same shape, like in the little swoop. I'm a little nervous because you guys know I don't like play with color that much. So hopefully this turns out okay. Okay, so it looks good to me. Let's go ahead and continue. Okay, so now she's cutting her crease with a stick concealer. I don't think I have a stick concealer, so I'm just going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer with the brush and do that same shape that she is doing. Okay. This is the part I'm a little nervous about. So I'm just going to put some concealer on the back of my hand. That should be enough, hopefully. And I'm just going to take, let's see, I just put a bunch of brushes in front of me. No, I don't like any of those. Let's see. Oh, this will work. This is from e.l.f. It is a, doesn't say, it's just like a flat concealer brush. So let's go ahead and carve that shape out.
One that's more on the liquid side. Even though they're all creamy, the ones that are more thick, like a stick concealer, for example, I just find it they're easier to control placement.
And I also did get a little bit of fallout. That was one thing I was worried about because her base, I believe, is done already. I usually always do my eyes first. So I'll have to touch that up just a little bit, but that's okay. And I think her purple, I'm gonna fix this shape a little bit. The lighter purple is a little bit more vibrant, so I'm gonna just build that up just a little bit more so it can look as close to hers as possible. Okay, and then she's setting her concealer with some translucent powder, so let me go ahead and do that real quick. Pause. Okay. I don't have the RCMA powder that she used, so I'm just using the e.l.f. translucent powder. It's really messy, but I like it. Alright, so I don't have that shade that she is using, this yellow shade, so I have the BH Cosmetics, like, Take Me Back to Brazil, and I think that one has, like, a really vibrant lime green yellow kind of shade in it. So let me see, I haven't picked this up since, like, last summer, so let's see. Yeah, that'll work. These, like a mixture of these two, I think I'm gonna do to achieve that color that she's putting on her inner lid. So let me get a flat brush, and I believe she wets her brush, so I'm gonna do that as well. This should work right here. I just cleaned like all of my brushes, so I feel so like I have clean brushes right now, so that's cool. Where's my spray?
For the lid, I'm using Silver Beauty's eyeshadow in the color Tropic, which is like a highlighter lime green color with a little bit of reflex in it.
Oh, that's like spot on. Cool, that works, because it has that like shift. Okay, I'm gonna pause her. Pause, please. Pause. Okay, I'm gonna let me do this one first before she goes into that other color. I really like this palette. I don't know why I don't use it more. I feel like mine's a little more green than hers, but the yellow that's in this palette is matte, so I want it to be shimmery like hers, so I'm gonna just stick to this like lime green. I'm getting like Scooby-Doo vibes. Okay, and I think that's about as far as she brought it, so it's looking okay. I like it so far. Okay. Alright, let's continue. So I'm going to back it up just a little tiny bit because I did go into the next thing that she was doing. So she is taking a really pretty pinky, not pink, purpley bluish shimmer color and fading that in to the outer part. So I'm going to do that. I think this color, this is a little more blue. So this color right here, if you can see where I'm pointing, this one. Oh wow, it looks super like, okay, yeah. So this one right here is pretty close, but it's more blue than purple. So I think it'll be okay though. I'm gonna try it out and see if it's too blue, then I'll add something on top of it. Alright, so this is a little more blue than what I was looking for, so what I'm going to do is take that same, I'm going to put a thin layer of this down first and then take that same darker purple that I used from the Morphe palette and then place that on top of it. Because I do want this to be as close to her look as possible. Oh, and I forgot, she left a little sliver of this yellow, so I got to make sure I do that as well. So, hold on.
I also wet the brush for this to be able to pick up more product and pack it on, like I did with the previous color. Except I'm overlapping it on.
Okay, and she did it at an angle, so I gotta erase some of that.
I left a bit of a gap right underneath the curvature of the cut crease, so it looks like Tropic is almost creating an outline.
Okay. Alright, so pause. So I'm gonna place, I have that purple on here now. So I'm gonna try to build that purple up. So just looks a little more purpley. And then I'm gonna leave a little bit of a gap like she was saying. Okay, so I cleaned up my fallout. What I'm gonna do now is clean up this line a little bit, or just sharpen it, I guess. So.
I hope I'm making sense.
Okay, let's continue. She is taking that lighter purple from the Morphe palette and smoking that under her eye. Oh my goodness, I should have waited to do this because now I'm going to get more fallout. Okay, it looked like she blended something else under her lid, on her lower lash line. So I'm going to take that brush that I had before with the darker purple and just put a little bit of that on the lower lash line as well. So she just did a regular wing, so I'm going to do that too, just a little baby wing.
This is the NYC liquid eyeliner, and I just didn't want to fuss with the wing. If you have hooded eyes or just a lot of skin on the eyes, you already know the struggle and the stress of a winged liner.
And then she just popped on lashes, and I believe that was the rest of her look. Let me see.
After applying mascara, I used the Eyeliner Vegas Pink Grand Glamour lashes.
She put something in her waterline, so I'm just gonna put black eyeliner. I don't know what she put, but that is it for her look. So I'm gonna finish this other eye off camera, and then I'll be back with lashes. And she's wearing a purple lipstick, so I'm gonna come back with that too. So I'll be right back. Alright, so that is it for this video. I like how it turned out. I'm gonna wear the eye look for the rest of the day, but I think I'm gonna take off the lips because you guys know this is a little bit out of my comfort zone. If I'm gonna do a bold lip like this, I usually go a little bit more nude on the eye, so it's a lot for me. But anyway, yeah, I really enjoyed making this look. And Youkeyy, if you happen to see this video, I love you. I love your videos. You guys, you are such an inspiration to me. I really, really had fun doing this, so hopefully I did you justice. But anyway, if you're new to this channel and you've never seen me before, please hit that subscribe button down below. I would really, really appreciate it. And thank you to those of you who have been subscribed. I appreciate you guys, and I appreciate you guys rocking with me and supporting me. I love you guys. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!